Hello friends, welcome to my educational YouTube channel Seek Show. Today I came with another tips and trick related or technology related or educational video for you. At the end of this video, you will learn how to correctly make a traveling Facebook post like this one. You can see here. And of course you can use several devices. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, but before that, before we go to the tutorial today, please hit the red subscribe button down there, and you will make me to get 1000 subscriber goal, and it will motivate me to create more educational stuff like today. And also don't forget to ring the bell icon down there to get the latest notifications. Okay, we can move to the tutorial. Okay, right, first I'm going to show you how to do the Facebook traveling post using Google Chrome web browser. Of course you can use different mobile platforms, Android and Apple iOS, or there are several Android apps, there are several devices, several web browsers. Of course you can use them to do the same thing, but here I'm going to show you how to use the Google Chrome in desktop versions, laptop especially, and also later I will show you how to use the Android platform to do this one. Most of the time you will use the mobile phone to do the Facebook traveling post like this one. Right, okay, first you have to go to your Facebook post, and you have to go to the create post section in your status, in your profile. First what you have to do, click on this create create post tab here. Then first one is you have to set your current location by using a check-in. Go to your check-in. I'm going to set my current location as it will automatically show you where you are, but here I will show you New Zealand. I will set my current location. I'm going to have a check-in, New Zealand, Auckland. First you have to set your check-in. Then it should preview like this one, your current location. And then I will set my activity here, because you are going to make a travel post now. Then select this traveling to. I'm going to travel Las Vegas. Right, you have to set your traveling location. Right, it has been set. Now the preview is like this one. Now from New Zealand to where you are traveling. This is the method. First you have to make a check-in. At the same time you have to set your activity as traveling to where. So carefully watch the video again after I posting this on YouTube. So this is how to do it using your Chrome website on a desktop or laptop version. So hope you saw something new from this video also. Okay, then I'm going to show you how to use the how to use the Android platform to do the same. Most of the time you use the Android platform. Okay, right. So now I am in my Google Chrome using my Android phone. So first you have to click this Facebook, and I have already clicked and open a new tab for creating a post. Right, first you have to enable your desktop version. Right, just go to this three dot icon here and click desktop site. Then it will be easy to create a traveling post like that we are talking about. Now here's the status location. Now you are going to put a status. First you have to set your current location. I will set my current location as Southern Province, Sri Lanka. And then you have to set your activity as traveling. That's what you should remember. Traveling to. I will set as Point Pedro. The corner of Sri Lanka. Right, now I am going to make the post. After posting this one, click OK. After posting this one, you can see how you have posted here, so that I am traveling from southern province Sri Lanka to Point Pedro, to corner of Sri Lanka. This is the way you have to use to post traveling post in the Facebook like this one. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have anything to ask, please comment in the comment section. To do the same, please try for other Android apps and different applications. And okay, I will be back with another tutorial, another educational, another useful stuff like this one for you. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. And have a great travel. Thank you very much.